Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Oh, God damn! You stupid idiot! You stupid idiot! You stupid idiot!
We need to get into this cave, capture a fish, and get out in a nice safe time of about 1:30 seconds to 1:50 seconds.
The great John Dees on the keys and D Madness on the bass guitar.
Trips to back, tell me where I use to count A-Rap. Yeah, I don't need the pressure about to roll over so much the money to quit. Domestic in abroad, I'm trying to print our.
What are you doing?
Well, somebody? No. So basically, oh, come on. Watch out. Ass.
Really, dude? 2 lanes right there.
Never Let Me Down again on the original 99X After School Special. I'm Will Pendarvis. A lot of people don't associate Smashing Pumpkins with grooviness, but I'm telling you, man,
To Suzanne in Oakland, California, OMG with electricity on Crossway. Good choice, Suzanne.
Holy shit, I can't believe he did that.
You mother.
After the week we had, I was surprised we didn't at least go get a tackle or a guard, especially with the injury. Considering Decker is playing subpar, dealing with multiple injuries, Manu broke his leg, and on top of that, we just released
You have a stop. Don't look at me like that.
Jesus Christ.
Functionality. I fit very comfortably in the front seat, and I do like that there's generous lumbar support.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.